Somebody ran in the bathroom. They need to come out. I was just going to start some more laundry. There's baby in there.
I know. There's puppy
Oh,
eating
look at this
monsters.
one. Look at this one playing King of the Mountain here. Here, I thought I had a cookie in my hand. I have a pain pill in my hand. Here. Look at you. Come here. Come here, sis. No, she goes, no, no about this. No about this. Look, this is how they learn about gravity. Come here. No, you're going to get down? Okay. Because a puppy, she bumped her head. That's a long ways down. Oh, we hope we get a really good rain out of this rain. It sounds like it's begun to really give us some rain. What are you doing, being mean to sister? Oh, they chew on each other all the time. It's 72 degrees. That is way better than 92. Way better.